welcome! In this one we're going to be looking at our first bush tune, and it's a super easy one, but we'll do a load more of these because I do like bush. Don't know why, there's a load of other bands we haven't done yet, loads of others. Anyway, we will get to them eventually. Tone wise, I'm using the Box of Rock, and it is a Box of Rock. It's a lovely little overdrive pedal. It's not too gainy as well, so you get some nice middling overdrive tones. So that's what I'm going for. Let's crack on and have a quick look at the chord, shall we? So, nice and easy one, right? We're going to go for an F chord, but it's only really the top or low 4 strings that we're going to play, right? And that is the rhythm pattern throughout, okay? Apart from the chorus, right? For the verse, it's the same. So it's... Okay, so it's 1 note, 2 palm mutes. That again. Then 1 note, palm mute. Okay? Okay? Alright, throughout. So as I say, first chord, part of an F. Never plays the whole thing. Next chords are all the same shape. You're going to flatten your first finger for this one on the 3rd fret, so it's a C. That's where the root is. And then you're going to put your 3rd and 4th finger down on the 3rd and 4th strings. And that's a C sus2. Then you go up to the D sus2. And then the B flat sus2, which is the 1st fret. Root notes on the A string for all of those chords, okay? But with the same pattern. So every now and again you'll hear the sus2, right? So that's that. Live, he actually puts in 5th in the root. So he basically, when he goes from... He goes up to the 3rd fret, but he's also covering the G, right? The 3rd fret on the E string. So you'll get... And it also puts in a bit of a couple of semiquavers or 16th notes, right? So do that as well if you want, right? But album version is just... and play that round. Then you have the chorus, and that's super simple. You're only using 3 of those 4 chords. So you're just going to use the F, the C, and the B flat. So it's... Now the rhythm for the chorus, don't get hung up on it too much. You're just basically going to do half a bar of each. So... Alright. But with that... that sort of strumming pattern. So slowly. That is it. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon. Cheers now. Bye bye.